Space exploration is an incredible adventure. It's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and daring to dream big. After decades, the moon is once again captivating our imagination. We are on the verge of a new era of lunar exploration, and it's filled with exciting possibilities. This time it's not just about planting a flag and coming home. We're going back to the moon to stay. We want to learn how to live and work on another celestial body. The moon is a treasure trove of scientific discovery, and it holds the key to unlocking mysteries about our solar system and beyond. The year 2025 marks a significant leap forward in our lunar ambitions. Two missions in particular are capturing the world's attention: SpaceX's Blue Ghost Mission 1 and Intuitive Machines Mission 2. These missions, in collaboration with NASA, are paving the way for a permanent human presence on the moon. They represent the spirit of innovation and international cooperation that will define this new era of space exploration. Get ready to witness history in the making as we embark on this extraordinary journey back to the moon. Blue Ghost Mission 1, scheduled to launch on January 15, 2025, is a testament to the growing capabilities of private space companies. Developed by Firefly Aerospace, the Blue Ghost lander will be carried to the moon aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. This mission will focus on studying the lunar surface and environment in greater detail than ever before. Blue Ghost will be carrying 10 scientific instruments, all developed by NASA. These instruments will investigate various aspects of the moon, from its subsurface temperature to the way lunar dust interacts with spacecraft. One of the mission's key objectives is to land near Mont Latreille, a prominent mountain within the Mare Crisium Basin. This region is particularly interesting to scientists because it is believed to hold clues about the moon's volcanic past. By studying the composition of the lunar soil and rocks in this area, scientists hope to learn more about the moon's formation and evolution. Blue Ghost Mission 1 is just the beginning of Firefly Aerospace's ambitious lunar program. The company plans to send a series of landers to the moon in the coming years, each carrying more advanced instruments and capabilities. These missions will help us to build a comprehensive understanding of our nearest celestial neighbor. Following close on the heels of Blue Ghost, Intuitive Machines Mission 2, or IM2, is set to launch on February 26, 2025. This mission, also utilizing a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, will deploy Intuitive Machines' IM2 Nova-C lander, nicknamed Athena. IM2 will be targeting the lunar South Polar region, specifically Mons Mouton, a location believed to harbor water ice. The search for water ice is a top priority for lunar exploration. Water ice is a valuable resource that can be used to support human life and generate rocket fuel. If we can find and utilize water ice on the moon, it will significantly reduce the cost and complexity of future lunar missions. IM2 will be carrying a suite of instruments to search for and characterize water ice, including NASA's Prime 1 experiment. This experiment will drill into the lunar surface and analyze the composition of the material extracted. Other instruments on board IM2 will study the lunar environment, test new communications technologies, and even deploy small rovers to explore the surrounding area. Intuitive Machines, like Firefly Aerospace, is committed to establishing a regular cadence of lunar missions. The company's long-term vision is to create a lunar economy, where resources extracted from the moon can be used to support human activities both on the lunar surface and in space. Section 4. The Power of Collaboration, NASA and SpaceX. Both Blue Ghost Mission 1 and Intuitive Machines Mission 2 highlight the growing partnership between NASA and the private sector. NASA recognizes the value of leveraging the innovation and cost-effectiveness of companies like SpaceX and Firefly Aerospace. By working together, NASA and these private companies can achieve more than they ever could alone. This collaboration is key to making lunar exploration sustainable and affordable in the long run. NASA's role in these missions extends beyond providing scientific instruments. The agency is also providing technical expertise, launch services, and communication support. This collaborative approach allows NASA to focus on its core strengths while benefiting from the agility and entrepreneurial spirit of the private sector. The success of these missions will pave the way for even more ambitious collaborations in the future, further solidifying the role of public-private partnerships in space exploration. Section 5. Starship, a giant leap in space technology. While Blue Ghost and IM-2 represent significant milestones in lunar exploration, SpaceX has even bolder ambitions. The company's Starship program is developing a fully reusable spacecraft designed for long-duration missions, cargo and crew transport, and eventually, lunar landings. Starship is a game-changer in space technology. Its reusable design promises to drastically reduce the cost of space travel, making it possible to send humans and cargo to the moon and beyond on a scale never before imagined. Starship is designed to be highly versatile, capable of transporting over 100 people and a significant amount of cargo to the lunar surface. This capability will be crucial for establishing a permanent human presence on the moon, as it will allow for the transportation of habitats, scientific equipment and other supplies needed to sustain a lunar base. The Starship program is still under development, but its progress has been remarkable. With its first orbital test flight planned for 2025, Starship is on track to revolutionize space travel and play a pivotal role in humanity's future in space. Section 6. Artemis 3, Humanity's Return to the Moon. SpaceX's Starship program is an integral part of NASA's Artemis program, which aims to land the first woman and the next man on the lunar surface by 2025. Artemis 3, the mission that will achieve this historic milestone, will mark humanity's return to the moon after more than 5 decades. This time, however, we're not just visiting, we're establishing a sustainable presence. Artemis 3 will be the first in a series of missions that will build a permanent lunar base, paving the way for human exploration of Mars and beyond. The Artemis program represents a global effort, with international partners contributing to various aspects of the missions. This collaborative approach highlights the shared ambition of humanity to explore the cosmos and unlock its secrets. The Artemis program is not just about scientific discovery, it's about inspiring future generations and pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. Section 7. The Moon and Beyond, a stepping stone to the cosmos. The lunar missions of 2025 are just the beginning of an incredible journey of exploration. The moon is not our final destination, it's a stepping stone to the cosmos. By learning to live and work on the moon, we're developing the technologies and expertise needed to explore more distant destinations, such as Mars and beyond. The lessons we learn on the moon will inform our approach to future space missions, enabling us to overcome the challenges of long-duration space travel and resource utilization. The future of space exploration is bright, and it's filled with endless possibilities. As we venture further into the cosmos, we carry with us the spirit of curiosity, innovation, and collaboration that has always defined humanity's greatest achievements. The moon is calling, and we are ready to answer. The next giant leap awaits.